Hello dear students. Now today we will continue with the narrations and changes of narration direct to indirect with the modal verbs. Before this I had taught you in two videos how to change narration according to tenses and according to sentences. If you had not gone through those videos, I am giving you the link of those videos in the description of this video. So you should go through those videos once. And in what is modal verb actually? Modal verbs are indicate the modality, that is ability, order, command, request, obligation, advice, etc. And these are associates with this semantic form of verbs also. It will not change its form in according to tenses, and it will remain the same in sentence, and it will not associate with infinitive and participles also. So how it will change in narration, let's learn. Now students, let's see the direct speech for modal verbs. These are our modal verbs: might, should, would, could, ought to. These verbs are not changed. They remain same in indirect speech. If these verbs are coming in reporting verb, so these are unchanged in indirect speech. Let's see the examples. We will start with one modal verb. Start with should. See the example. He said, comma, inverted comma, I should start a job. See how could it change? As I taught you the rule, said will remain same, comma, inverted comma, remove, in place of it we will add that. So he said that he should start a job. Okay. See next example. She said, comma, inverted comma, I should not waste my time. How do you change it? Said will remain same, comma, inverted comma, remove, in place of it conjunction that. She said that she should not waste her time. Should not waste her time will remain same as it is. Okay. See one more example. They said, comma, inverted comma, we should help the poor. Inverted comma, close. How do you change it? They said that we should help the poor. So students, it is very simple. Let's see the another modal verb, might. See the examples with might. She said, comma, inverted comma, I might eat a cake. So when we change it, it will change into she said that, comma, inverted comma, will remove, in place of it that we will add. She said that she might eat a cake. We will apply she in place of pronoun I, first person I, according to subject. Okay. See another example. They said, comma, inverted comma, we might go to a cinema. Inverted comma, close. Just change it. They said, in place of comma, inverted comma, that. They said that. For we will apply they according to subject. They might go to a cinema. He said, I might attend the meeting. Just solve it. He said that. For I we will apply he according to subject. He might attend the meeting. So you have to change the pronoun only, and these rule I had already taught you in last videos. So you should go through those videos once again, students, and I again request you that you have to maintain your notebook. Write all these notes in your copy. Try solving by yourself and find more sentences and solve it by your own. Now let's start with the another modal verb, that is could. See the example. David said, comma, inverted comma, I could buy a camera, inverted comma, close. It is also very simple. David said that. For I, we will use he because David is a boy. So for David, we will apply the pronoun he. David said that he could buy a camera, like this. Okay, see next example. He said, comma, inverted comma, I could play football. Change it. He said, for comma and inverted comma, apply that. He said that. For I, first person, we will apply the pronoun he. he said that he could play football. Again, she said, comma, inverted comma, I could cook some food, inverted comma, close. Change it into indirect speech. She said that for I, again according to subject you apply she. She said that she could cook some food, like this. See the next modal verb, that is would. See the example. She said, comma, inverted comma, I would wait for my son. How do you change it? She said that for I we will apply she. She said that she would wait for her son. Next is he said, comma, inverted comma, I would decorate the wall. So for changing, he said that he would decorate the wall. For I we will apply he. See the next modal verb, that is ought to. Ought to means chahiye. It is also used like should. David said, comma, inverted comma, I ought to avoid unhealthy diets. Do change it. David said that for I we will apply he, because David is a boy. So for these we will apply he. David said that he ought to avoid unhealthy diet. Okay. See another example. He said, comma, inverted comma, I ought to start a business. Just change it. He said that for I again we will use he. He ought to start a business, like this. And the last example of this video of modal verb ought to. See. She said, comma, inverted comma, I ought not to waste my time. This is negative sentence. See how could you change it? Inverted comma, close. She said, for comma, inverted comma, you should apply that. For I, you should apply she. She said that she ought not to waste her time. Because she said, that's why my will change into her. Okay. So you should go through all the rules. Once again, you maintain your notebook, write all the notes, examples, rules properly, find some sentences and try changing it. Sentence starting with let. So how could you change the narration when your sentence is starting with the verb let? So if a reported speech start with let us, then let us will change and then said is changed into proposed. If your reported speech start with let us, so when this reported verb said, this said verb will change into proposed. When we are changing the narration, we have to change these words, said or said to. So according to our reported speech, we will change this word. So when if you the sentence start with let us, we have to change said in proposed. Okay. So how could we change it? We could change it like suggested and let us to, like this. They should, let us can be a proposal or a suggestion, like this. Let's see the example. With example you can learn easily. The first example is he said to his friends, comma, inverted comma, let us start our game. This kind of sentence you can find, you're using it also. So when you change the sentence, in place of said to, what you will write? In place of said to, you should write proposed. He proposed to his friend. He proposed to his friends, comma, inverted comma will remove. In place of it, we will apply that. Always, this rule you already known. He proposed to his friends that they should start their game. Okay. They means including he also. So, they should start their game. We will write they in place of let us. Okay. See the another example. If, see the another rule, if लेट मीन रिक्वेस्ट, अगर लेट का मतलब सेंटेंस में रिक्वेस्ट होता हो तो इफ लेट मीन रिक्वेस्ट, सैड इज चेंज इनटू रिक्वेस्टेड. ओके. एंड टू इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर लेट. सी द एग्जांपल. I said to my friends, comma, inverted comma, let me work. So I said to, in place of said to, we will apply requested. I requested my friends to let me work. So comma remove in place of that we will apply 2. Okay. So you should remember this rule also. That's all in this video. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching.